So the first thing you always want to do is clean your iron. You always got to keep it very clean. You got to keep the carbon off or else nothing will work good. Then you want to put some solder onto your tip. That's what's called tinning. And so you can see I got a little bit of solder on there. And that's going to help you. And so we need the little vacuum pump. And so first we're going to melt the solder. And then we're going to suck it up. And that, in fact, you can see it dropped right out as soon as I sucked the solder off. So that's how you take one out. So now, this is a diode. And what we're going to do is we're going to solder in this diode. Now, the positive side is over here. And the long leg is the positive side. So you can see there's the long leg. So we want it like this. And we're going to put it through about like that. And then we'll bend the leads. And just to show you that now that we've taken out that bad LED and put in a good one, if we get good contact, you can see that it starts working. So now we know we have the circuit right. So now, once again, every time you start and every time you finish, you want to clean your iron. You always want to tin your iron. Get a little bit of solder on the end so that it will wick it up. So now, you want to take the solder and you want to heat 1, 2, 3 the part and the hole. And if I could see better, I would be doing better. And if you look, see how bright and shiny that is? That means that the solder was at the right temperature, and so it actually gave a good connection. Now I'm heating both the hole and the part again, and I'll put a little bit of solder in there. And when you do it right, what will happen is it'll just suck up right into the hole, and you can see the solder's nice and bright, and so that means I got it to the right temperature. And when I'm done, I clean my iron, and then hopefully, if we did that right, we can now hook up the battery. And you can see that now my circuit's working.